welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a PR haul. I do these every single Friday here on my channel, where I save up all my packages from the week and then we open them together. We chat about some new makeup releases, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. I do want to mention my new schedule on my channel is I am posting 5 videos a week. I'm doing Monday through Friday, so there'll be new videos from me every single weekday, so make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out on any of my future uploads. If you guys are ready to see what came in this week's PR, then go ahead and keep on watching. The first box I have here came from SIMGA Beauty. It looks like they are coming out with a new skincare brush set. It says that this is launching on June 5th. That's actually really cool. I don't see too many brands doing that. So here is the brush set. It has 6 brushes, and it is supposed to be for skincare. So I'm assuming each one has a different meaning. So let's see what it says. So the 501, which is this one, is for clay and mud masks. This one, next one here, is for serum. The next one is for moisturizer. The next one is for a gel mask. That's pretty cool. And then the next one is eye cream. And then we also have a spatula. So that's going to come in handy if you're trying to, dig out some of your skincare and stuff. This is actually a really cool set. I will be curious to try this out. I typically just use my fingers, or sometimes I'll use a brush like this to apply like face masks and stuff, but typically I just use my fingers. So I like the idea of a brush. I feel like you'll probably get a lot more use with your product using a brush, and also I feel like it's a lot more sanitary, so that's pretty cool. Like I said, this is coming out on June 5th. I do have an affiliate code with SIMGA. If you guys want to use it, it's just Makeupmolly at the checkout, and it will save you 10% on anything from SIMGA, so definitely a really cool brush set. Thank you guys. Next box I'm going to jump into here actually came from Double Dare again. They sent over another box. I've been loving all the stuff I've been trying out from them lately. So this one is an Omg Peeling Gel Kit. I love the packaging on this. Look at how cool that looks. With like the strawberries, this is fun. Omg Peeling Gel. So I'm not really sure. I think that this is probably very similar to the peeling gel I tried from them last time. But this one has like a little brush. Oh, this is actually kind of heavy. So here is the brush. It has like a little bit of a groove to it. And then also on the other side, it has this. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to use it. It's kind of like a rubbery feeling. And then we have the peeling gel, which is like this little mini size here. Let me read how you're supposed to use this. It says, apply a dime amount of the gel onto clean, damp nose. Gently massage in circular motions, 1 to 2 minutes. Use with the I Am Buddy, which is this mini, for more intense exfoliation. Rinse off with lukewarm water. And use longer bristle side to exfoliate the nose T-zone area. Okay, so this is supposed to use for like exfoliating, and then you're supposed to use it on your nose, which explains why she has the strawberry on her nose. This seems really cool. I always need new products to use on my nose too, because I struggle with like a lot of blackheads and stuff on my nose, so this will be fun. Thank you to Double Dare for sending that over. Next package I want to share with you guys came from Octoly and Cosmedix. I believe I'm saying that right. This is their liquid crystal eye serum. I've actually been using this out the past few days, and it says that this is really supposed to help with hydration and also help with fine lines under the eyes. Here is what the products looks like. It's just in this little tiny little thing. It says that this is supposed to help a lot with fine lines. That's what I struggle with my under eyes. Also help with hydration, which is another thing I struggle with, dry under eyes. So here is what it looks like. It's kind of cool because it kind of looks like a little purple serum. What I like about it is that the dropper on here is really easy to drop it out. You just need a tiny bit of product, and you just apply it to your under eyes at night. And I like that the dropper of it is so easy to use. The consistency of this is pretty thick. I will say that when it's on your under eyes, it does feel pretty heavy. But what's nice about it is it's for like night use, so I just put it on before I go to bed. So the fact that it's thick like that doesn't bother me. I have really high hopes for this. It is a very expensive eye product. I believe this is like $98 or something like that. So I want to see miraculous results. So I'm hoping that's what I'm going to see. I've only been using it for, I believe, 2 days now. Actually, last night was my 3rd night, so 3 days. So I haven't really noticed too much of a difference yet, but I will definitely keep you guys updated, and I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested. Next box that came in, I'm not sure who it's from, so we're going to open it and see. This is from Luminous Cosmedix. If you guys have heard of Luminess, you've probably heard of Luminous Air. That is the airbrush machine they are most known for, but they actually have came out with cosmetics as well. So they sent over the Nude Luminous Eyeshadow Palette. Let's open this bad guy and see what it looks like. The packaging on this is super cool. The outside packaging is awesome. Let's see the inside of the, ooh, this is pretty as well. Okay, so we have here a bunch of different eyeshadows. I like that the way that they're done with the doubles like that. I feel like that's really easy to kind of know which ones to pair together, so you can get like a nice grungy smoky eye with this one, or you can get like your warm looks with these two. I think that that's really cool. This one here is like more mauve-y. I think that's fun how they're split like that, and it has like a little brush inside, and then it also has a nice mirror on the top. So this is the, what palette is this called? This is the Nude Eyeshadow Palette from Luminous Cosmetics. Let's see what else came in this package. We also have in here some mascara, and then there are also a few lip products. So these are their Forever Rain lip stains. We have two different shades of those. It looks like we have one in Tame and then A-List. So we're gonna have a pink shade and then more of like a mauve shade. Those are my favorite lately. Let's open them up and swatch these. Here's what they look like. The packaging is really cool on these too because they're flat on the back. That's really cool. So they're just gonna sit down really nicely. Those are kind of different. I like the packaging, so let's swatch them. So we have this fun, bright pink one. This one is in A-List. Looks like it's gonna be a nice wand. So let's swatch A-List. And it says that this is gonna be like a lip stain. And then we also have here this one, which is in Tame, which I already know I'm gonna like this shade because this is the tones I've been into lately. So here we have Tame. So here they are both next to each other, and I'm curious to see the formula of these. So I wonder if they're gonna like dry down super matte or not. I'm assuming with a lip stain that they will, but here are both of those shades. And then the last thing that we have in here is this Precision Eyeliner, and this is in Jet Black. We have the gold packaging again. Ooh, so this is gonna be like a nice felt tipped liner. I'm gonna swatch it here. Ooh, this looks like it's gonna be really precise. So there is a little swatch of the eyeliner. Lots of fun goodies from Luminous Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for sending over this package. Ooh, these are drying down nicely too. You can see that pink one's really drying down. So definitely excited to try out these new products from them. So thank you guys. Next set of goodies also came from Octoly and Chai, or Chi, I believe. I never know how to pronounce this. So they sent over their 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. I love this stuff. I've used it a bunch. I use it almost every single day. Definitely a really good one. And then also we have this little Silk Infusion. So this is a complex, so I'm assuming it's supposed to help with, you know, making your hair feel nice and silky. And then also in here, this is their hairspray. This is a giant bottle. Like, this is the size of my entire body. This is a huge bottle. So this is their hairspray, natural hold. So yeah, you're never gonna run out of this guy. This is massive. And we have the star of the show. This is the Lava Hair Straightener from them. The claims on this are that it offers extremely durable plates. So that means you're not gonna have to, you know, replace your straightener anytime soon. It also has a smooth glide on, helps prevent damage, produces iron infusing hair with shine, adjustable temperature settings reaching up to 450 degrees. I have quite a few hairstyling tools from them, and I haven't had any issues with any of them. They've lasted me for years. I definitely think that they are worth investing in because they are a company that I think produces really, really good heat styling tools. They're always definitely very durable. I like this because it's gonna heat up fast, and hopefully it will help me in my hair straightening journey because my hair is always straight, so definitely something that I will definitely use. So thank you to them and Octoly for sending that over. And the very last thing this week came from Cle de Peau. I believe I'm saying that correctly. This is a very, very expensive brand, and I won a giveaway they were doing through Influencer, and I actually reviewed a lip product from them a while ago, I want to say, and somehow I won a giveaway through Influencer, so they said they were going to send over a few more products to me. I remember I did not like the lip product that I tried, and I actually decluttered it in my last lipstick declutter. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll link a card up above. But they sent over some more products, so I'll be curious to see. This is a very, very pricey and very bougie makeup line. So this is a Corrector. Let me open it up. It even has like a packaging around the packaging. So let's see what this is. Oh my gosh, just feels so luxurious already. Ooh, look at the packaging. That's really cool packaging. All right, so this is a Essential Correcting Refiner. I don't think I own too many refiners, so I'm not really sure, if I'm gonna sound dumb here, but I'm not really sure what that's meant to do. I will definitely look this up though and figure it out. I don't know that I have really many of them. I'm assuming it's gonna be some type of like a toner is what I'm assuming. Definitely really pretty packaging though. Look at the top of this. That is absolutely beautiful. So definitely really cool. And then also in here, there is one other product. This is a lip treatment. I actually looked at the directions inside of there to see how you're supposed to use this. So it just says, shake well before using, apply after cleansing and balancing skin, saturate cotton pad with the appropriate amount, and place all over face in a patting motion. Finish application by gently smoothing saturated cotton pad over any noticeable roughed areas. So basically it is like a toner for your skin. There is a lot of claims on here, and I will be curious to try that out. And then I did open this little lip treatment here, so let's see what this is all about as well. Here is what the lip treatment looks like, very luxurious in this little velvet case here. And then here is the outer packaging and the lip treatment inside. Super luxurious. So I will be curious to try this out and see if it helps. I'll have to read what it is supposed to help with, but I'm assuming, you know, lines on the lips and help hydrate them and everything like that. So big thank you to Influencer and Cle de Peau for sending that over to me. I hope I'm saying that right. I really appreciate it, and I'm excited to try out, you know, some fancy skincare and see if it works for my skin. Hopefully, I'm not saying hopefully not, because I don't want to repurchase this if I love it, but it's a pretty big bottle, so I'm hoping to see it do wonders on my skin. So thank you guys so much for sending that over to me. If you guys are not signed up with Influencer, I will link it down below. Anyone can sign up to receive free products from them, so I'll link it so you guys can definitely check it out. And that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and a PR haul. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some new makeup products from some brands and some goodies that I received this week. I will definitely get my reviews out there on these products for me. Let me know if there's any in particular that you guys want to see dedicated reviews on, or any questions you have about any of these products that I opened. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys go. I post new videos every single weekday. I post them on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm so used to saying Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but we got a new schedule now. Make sure you guys subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, everybody.